Today we're going to discuss some vices. We're in the Micromark workshop. Micromark sells a lot of different vices for all these different sorts of tools for benches. These are three I'm going to show you today that are all built on the same principle of holding weird shaped objects, round objects, anywhere you need to have an object held in place while you work on it. Apply a finishing coat, sand, carve, etc. 80769 is 1 3/4 inches wide by 1/2 inch deep. It's got a 3/4 inch capacity and it has 12 pinholes to use. It's a handheld design. However, it can also be held inside of a vise like so. And then if this is mounted on the edge of your bench, you've got your small part in here held. You're going to put your part inside the mini vise first and then put it into your bench vise. So first you mount your weird shaped piece in the aluminum vise, and then you mount this into this. Now it's more secure and it's not handheld, but you can work it either way, handheld or vise held.